Hello YouTube, I just wanted to show you a few screens of my upcoming new 2-inch IPS display CAN bus gauge that gets connected to the OBD2 port of your car 2008 and later, sometimes even earlier because my car is a 2006 and I still thankfully have CAN bus, otherwise I would not have been able to do this. So anyway, this is actually this screen is not CAN bus related, it's just a GPS. I don't have the PCB. Anyway, this is one of the screens that doesn't use the CAN bus. As I said, it does show you the time, date, LED, long, received satellites, speed. Since I'm indoors, there is a drift, that's why it's showing 1 km/h, and this is the altimeter. Now, with all the guys that are worried that I give away my location, I mean, if you go to my Tindy store, order something for $10, although I don't have anything for $10, but if you order something, you will get a package from me with my address, full address, even my cell phone number. So, I mean, I'm not worried about if anybody wants to come to Bulgaria to visit me, go ahead. Here are the coordinates. So, remember those old days when you had telephone books where everybody's name, address, and phone number was written in? I mean, nobody was paranoid back then. Now everybody's paranoid about their address and whatnot, and then they post everything to Facebook and Instagram and whatnot. So, anyway, before I get any comments about my location, here it is, guys. You can find me on Google Earth. Anyhow, this is the next screen I made. Timing advance, and I only did it because I do have this PID in my car as well, so I can actually see my timing advance before top dead center. My simulator doesn't have that, it doesn't simulate it, that's why it's showing 0 here, but in your car you will see the degrees. The next screen is a new screen, and this one shows you a timer from 0 to 200 km/h. I know it might not be that important for our friends overseas, but here in Europe it's under racers or sport car drivers, it is something that they do want to know, not just 0 to 100, which I have also in here. I have also 0 to 60, and I have quarter mile timer. So this one is a new one that shows you 0 to 200. And so once you start driving, it shows you your current speed, and once you go over 100, it starts counting the seconds. It does show you the target speed. Obviously it will be 200, and once you hit the 200, even if you go higher, it stops at 200 and shows you the seconds that it took you. And then you can just lower your speed below 90 km/h, and then you can go at it again. And if for some reason you do not pull through and you go, or you lower more than 3 km/h your speed, it does reset. So then you have to go below 90 again to restart the timer. Excuse me. And then once you hit 200, it does show you the time it took in seconds. So this is my newest and latest screen that I have, and if you do have any comments, questions, please leave them in the link. If you want to get in touch with me, you can do so over my Tindy store, which has a messaging system, and link in the description. You can also leave your email in the comment, and I will get back to you if you're interested. And now actually I just thought of something. I should include the NeoPixels into the screen. So I will do that next, and you will see it in a future video. So this is it. I will have to order carbon fiber front panels so I can finish this gauge. The back will look like this. It has a USB Type-C connector, a vertical one, and then you can use any cable between the OBD plug. I can show you the OBD plug that is connected to my simulator here. So this is regular USB, and I will send it out with a 1 meter or 1.5 meter cable, and but you can go get your own cable that you can install in your car. And I will actually also offer the plug which has a buck converter in, because this runs obviously off 5 volts, and this is the external 12 volt in, because in your car the OBD connector has constant 12 volt, and not a single engineer in the world came to the idea to have a switch 12 volt in this OBD plug. But anyway, maybe some engineers are listening, which that's not gonna happen, but anyway. So you will be able to buy the plugs separate, or more than one, and have one gauge, and then you can just switch it between your cars if you do like so. If you have more than one car, or maybe 2 or 3 sports cars or whatever. Although if you have 2 or 3 sports cars, you will probably not buy this gauge. But actually, no, that's wrong, because I did sell to customers who have sports cars, including a Lotus and a Porsche. So that might not been true. So anyway, I do welcome sales, of course, because in these times, well, actually I didn't have a single sale since 2 weeks, and it does not help. Anyway, if you like it, please leave them a comment. If you don't like it, you can write whatever you like. And this is it for now. Thank you for watching, and stay safe, everybody.